MrTechyPixel.
Hey guys, it's MrTechyPixel here on YouTube, and today we're playing a black screen. No, we're not actually. We're in Visual Basic 2010 Express again. This is tutorial 3, and today I'm going to be explaining events and properties to you guys. Right, so I'm going to start a new project, and I'm going to call it tutorial 3 if this ever loads. And if it doesn't, then Windows says it's not responding, but do I believe Windows? No, I don't. There we go. Right, so again, it's going to be another Windows Forms application, and I'm going to call it tutorial, if I can spell, tutorial 3. Yeah. I don't know whether I'm confused. Let's just go with that. Yeah, let's just go with that. Okay. So also we're going to in this in this tutorial we're also going to be using labels, and I'll explain to you what a label is. It's not complicated, but it's different to a text box. So yeah. Okay, so it's now created in tutorial 3, and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so I'm back, and tutorial 3 has finished loading up here, and hang on a sec. Oh, that's nothing, it's being an idiot. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to explain to you is the difference between a text box, which we have here, and a label, which we also nearly have here. There we go, we have there. So, as you can see, the text box above looks more like the whereas in Office applications, you know, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, well, yeah, guess Excel, you have text boxes. Now, in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all that jazzy fun stuff, all they do is allow you to type text somewhere. But in VB, they allow the user to enter text, okay? So this here is for the user to enter text, where the label just looks like a piece of text. That is for you to enter text. You can also change that with code like you can with everything else, which is another thing I'm going to be explaining. So I'm going to get rid of this this text box. Right, now every single, pretty much every single one of these tools from the toolbox, as you can see there's tons of them, has got properties. Okay, so I'm gonna move this label up here. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it called. Now I'm not gonna leave it called label 1 because that's bad practice. I'm gonna call it label change example. Okay, and yeah, basically what you're gonna want to. I can't spell today. What you're going to want to do is, you can't put spaces in the name, you can in the text. Now, one of the best things you can do, okay, is not put a space in, but put the first letter of every word in capital, just to make it look better. Okay, so, this label is here. Now, we can remove the text, okay, and it'll look like it's gone. As you can see, there's a little slither there, okay, somewhere. Which I can select again if I really want to. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the event of the form. I did not mean to do that. Shout out to the stupid touchpad by Acer. Anyway, so we're going to go to the events of the form. Now every single control also has a set of events. Now as you can see, there's one for activated, all the stuff like that. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you mouse over or mouse hover, wherever that is. Yeah, okay, so mouse hover. When the mouse hovers, we want label wait for that to load. Label change example dot, and then you put a dot and then the property that you want to change. Now for a label, you're probably going to want to change the text of it, okay? You also change the size and stuff like that, okay? So we're going to change the text to mouse hovered. Okay. Now, oh, it's automatically put the last one in. Okay, now I'm going to try that. Okay, so we're going to load the project up. And as you can see, spell succeeded. And when I hover over the form, the mouse hovered label, well, the label changed the text to mouse hover. So, you can see, it's still there because to get it to go away, you've got to put the mouse leave event also in there. So, yeah, we're going to close that. Now, I'm also going to show you a few other events. Okay. Now, going to show you the resize. Now, I'm going to copy that, so I don't have to type it again. All I have to do is change the text. So, and I'm going to change it to form resized. Now, okay, we're going to rebuild our application. Now, as you can see, mouse hovered, and then if I it'll change to mouse resize. I hover over it again, it'll change back to mouse hovered. So basically, that's our little overview of properties and events in VB 2010 Express. Now that can be really useful for even just making things bigger when you resize the form. It can be really useful, and as you saw there were tons and tons of events. Now there's even events, as I said before, there's events for the label. So you can see there's a click event for the label, there's a context menu event so that you can right click on it. It's absolutely amazing. As you can see, drag over, drag enter, drag drop. There's all of them. You can even have a mouse double click. So, yeah, basically that was our overview. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a like and add to favourites. Also, subscribing would be an incredible help, and it will make sure all my videos get straight to your homepage. And basically I'm going to go. I'll see you again soon. And thank you. MrTechyPixel out. I mean MrTechyPixel. Oh dear. Why did I say that? Okay, even I'm not used to this new name change. MrTechyPixel out.